the
Oh my
table.
god, I swallowed that one. It had spit all over.
I dare you to lick that, Christian.
Just throw it, make her throw it away.
No.
Alright, I just
love
ate it
her
all.
too much.
I ate it all.
I know, right?
I ate it all.
No, there's like crap on the table.
No, I'm not eating that crap. I ate a pickle.
Stacey was like, even me and Lala were laughing. That was disgusting. She was all talking to you, it was dripping everywhere. It's so awesome. Don't have a shoother.
Put your hand down. That's so rude.
Waiter.
British.
I'm gonna go wash my hands.